Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the importance of saving your work. This might seem obvious, and modern technology has made it really easy for our writing to withstand power cuts and similar unexpected events. I use Microsoft Word for my blog posts and web content. Whether I'm working on my laptop or my iPad, Word auto-saves whatever I'm working on. I use cloud storage so I can work on one device that'll automatically keep saving it, and I can seamlessly pick up the work on a different device. A lot of people favor Google Docs, which works in a similar way. There are a couple of things to be aware of though. First, it's always a good idea to give your file a name as soon as you create it. Sure, the system will just save it as untitled document, but it makes your life a lot easier if your device crashes and you have an actual name to search for. Secondly, if you're using cloud storage of any kind, it's always a good idea to keep a local backup of your work. I use an external hard drive and I back up my work to it every day. As far as I know, cloud storage is pretty safe. I don't really know the technical ins and outs of it, but I like to have a safety net. And thirdly, if you want to copy a previous document and make some changes but preserve the original, save a copy of the original first before you make any changes. Now, if you're someone who prefers to handwrite your work, remember that your handwritten copy is the only one you have. Saving your work is equally important for you. So either get a smart pen that has the ability to convert handwritten work into a digital format that can then be saved, or take pictures of your work. A lot of smartphones have scanner functions on their cameras, and there are also a lot of apps that you can download. Your heart and soul goes into your writing, and you owe it to yourself to make sure it's protected. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow for a new writing challenge.